what's up? We got a little update here. Just got this thing out of the mold. Looking pretty wild. I did this on purpose. I wanted some of them to be sticking out. I thought it'd be kind of cool. So basically, yeah, I just gotta wait for this thing to fully harden. It's a little tacky still, but that's what we're looking like. Can't wait to freaking start turning this thing and shaping it. See what comes out of it. Alright guys, now that I've got the main shape going, I just basically shaped everything with my flat disc here. This is like, I think 180 or 120. I used this 80 grit and some 80 grit on this guy to flatten it and shape it. And this is now 180 that I've hit all the flat spots with. So then I'm gonna use my drill again on this thing and round out my edges again with the 180. And then from there, I'm probably just gonna start wet sanding with 320 all the way up to like 2000. And I'm gonna start my polishing process. I think as far as the shape goes, this is about what we're looking at. So I'm gonna use the 180, smooth out the corners, and then just start hand sanding it from there. So here we have it, guys. I know this isn't necessarily perfect. It wasn't meant to be perfect. I could probably go back and polish it. There's still some marks in it, but get the general idea. I really like these pieces down here towards the bottom that are shaved into the Lego itself, and they're just a little bit showing. I think that's pretty neat. So yeah, there we have it. Go install it in the car, see how she feels. So there we have it, guys. Came out pretty cool, in my opinion. Definitely a different shape, like I said before. But yeah, that was my little DIY Lego shift knob. Pretty unconventional way of doing it, I know, but when you have lack of equipment or you don't want to spend a bunch of money on doing, you know, smaller stuff like this, you know, you gotta just get creative and make it happen. So hope you guys enjoyed this and are stoked about how it turned out. I know I am. It definitely didn't know where I was going with it as far as shape goes, but I think it turned out pretty freaking cool. So that's that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.